Mommy, Daddy? Mommy, Daddy?
What is it? Get up. Your son needs you.
Whatever.
I said get up. Your son needs you.
I just did, old lady.
And now not a true meaning of Christmas.
And what's that, Joseph?
It's not about getting Christmas. It's not about getting presents. It's about spending time with your family.
That's right. Oh. Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year. This time I turn on the battery. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work?